lens on the Luthra's partner Ajay Gupta. What has been revealed at this given point, what's come out at this given point is that Ajay Gupta was present in Goa on December 6th. This is what has been revealed. That Ajay Gupta fled to Delhi on December 7th. Luthra's fled to Phuket on the night of December 6th, remember. So this is the Goa fire incident, the investigation into which still continues. Remember, the Luthra brothers had fled to Phuket on an Indigo flight, and post that they'd been tracked down there as well and then arrested. But then there is an aide of the Luthra brothers whom the lens has also been on. The probe has intensifying on, that is Ajay Gupta. And on India Today, we are bringing to you this very breaking news at this given point, that Ajay Gupta, the whereabouts of Ajay Gupta was also being questioned as to whether he was in Goa, when did he move to Delhi after the incident, or whether he was already in Delhi before the incident. From what is being learned now at this given point is that Ajay Gupta fled to Delhi on December 7th. On December 6th, when the fire broke out at Birch by Romeo Lane Club, the third partner, Ajay Gupta, was very much present in Goa, but at a different location. He then, on the next day, fled to Delhi, taking a morning flight to Delhi from Goa. The Luthra brothers had fled from Delhi to Phuket on the very same night of the fire. So this is what we are learning at this given point. Remember, this case has only intensified with each passing day, the probe getting murkier. The probe, in fact, bringing in murkier details with regards to how it was not just a matter of negligence for which this incident came about, affecting the lives, claiming the lives, and of course affecting the lives of all the victims, all those who lost their lives in this very fire incident. But the investigation has revealed how there was this entire situation of all three partners who were involved in owning this very joint, which was again illegally constructed. Several such facts have now come to the forefront. They went on a run at that given point on the very night, and what we are learning on the next day once the fire incident took place. Yes, there's a lot that's happened on that very front. Let me quickly bring in our colleague Dipesh Tripathi into the conversation to in fact understand what exactly are we learning on this very aspect of the probe. Dipesh, we are now given to understand that Ajay Gupta, who the lens has been on after the Luthra brothers, he was in Goa itself on December 6th night when this entire incident took place. And it was on December 7th that he fled to Delhi. This also, Dipesh, brings about a certain lapse in the investigation, probably the manhunt that was launched on that very night to understand where the owners of the club are.
Yes, Ajay Gupta was present in Goa on 6th of December when this incident happened. And after this incident happened, he fled to Delhi on the next day, taking a morning flight to Delhi. That has been learned during investigation. Ajay Gupta is presently in custody of Anjuna police for his role in the fire that erupted at Birch by Romeo Club, claiming 25 innocent lives. He's under arrest and he's being interrogated. During interrogation, it has been learned that he was in Delhi. He was in Goa when the incident happened.
Right, Devesh, thank you for all those details in terms of what exactly went down. And that was Devesh Singh helping us with what exactly was the situation on December 6th in terms of Ajay Gupta and his movements that's slowly getting revealed as the police and the investigative agencies are tracking the entire situation.